Okay guys, welcome back to my home. We're going to talk a little today about bulk prep. So most of you guys are having a hard time figuring out dry conversions to cook conversions and how to make multiple meals using the same carbohydrate. So I used brown rice today, used my trusty brown rice cooker, which I also cook quinoa in, and oatmeal. It's the same method. You would measure everything out and then fill up the water line inside. So today I prepped brown rice. On the top of these plastics, I will usually use a dry erase marker and I will write brown rice 150 grams is 1 serving cooked, okay? So make sure that data corresponds with your cooked amount. So what I'm going to do as a little cheat method here is I'm going to show you guys how to now dish out your bulk 150 grams of rice the cheater way. First, turn your scale on. You'll go ahead and put the whole dish on top of here. You're going to tare it. It'll be at 0. And if we're going to do 150 grams, oops. Yes, that's right. It's -90 right now. So this is a really fast way to do it rather than measuring all your food out into food prep containers sometimes when you're not feeling like you can get through that portion of it. So we're gonna go right to 150 grams. And sometimes you gotta wiggle around a little bit here. Oops, we got to 150, it's right there. Okay, so that is a lot of rice, right? This is 1 serving of rice cooked, and it fills up a good portion of a smaller plate, so this looks like a lot of volume here. Okay, so this is another container with green beans. I usually put the grams on top. It's 85 grams cooked, and then you can legitimately just erase that right off the top of there and you got the clean tops again. So again, that's a dry erase marker, works really well on the glass, and it also works very well on the plastic tops. Have a great day. Hope this was helpful.